2, 1, go! They put the key switches on. Taking that checkered flag for the Mans OUTLAW race today. Okay, stay seated. Guess what? We've got some grudge matches. Maybe we should have some call-outs of the crowd. Who would like to see who go together? Anybody have any ideas? All right, big hand of applause for all the racing today, all the racers today. This is Evan and Graham from Castlegar. All right, so starting the grudge matches. We have Tim, we have Kale, we have Ethan, we have Kaden, we have Taven, and we have Bella. So we are going to start this race. Get them all